Hi guys, my name is Chriselle, but my friends know me as G. I am new to the BooredFemme channel and I am super excited to be here. I am going to be sharing some of my thoughts with you guys about technology. I use tech all around my life and I'm just super excited to be here and show you guys what I think about some of our favorite devices. So the one thing you should know about me is that I am an avid Apple user. I have my iMac that I use for work, I have my MacBook Pro that I use every day, I have my iPad, etc. I have it. So it is no wonder that the very first device that I'm going to be talking to you guys about is about Apple's latest MacBook Pro 2020. This is the 13-inch model and I'm super excited to tell you guys my thoughts on it. So there are three things that I want to talk to you guys about regarding Apple's latest MacBook. The very first one is that it has the M1 chip, which is Apple's very own processor. And what does that mean for the average consumer, right? So I use MacBook on my day-to-day. Did it feel any different? And the answer is no, it kind of felt the same, which to me is a good thing. As an Apple user, I want all of my devices to feel seamlessly the same. So transferring all my information over to my latest MacBook, there was no change. Some of you may be wondering, what is that day-to-day? I use Photoshop a lot for work. I am working with hundreds of images. I am on Slack, I am on Messenger, I am listening to music, I am working with super long and tedious spreadsheets all day long. And I need a Mac that is going to deliver on that. And the next thing you're thinking of is battery life. How long does this actually last? Operating all those apps that we just talked about previously. I have a 2015 MacBook Pro, which from my workday starts about 9 a.m. ends around 6:30ish maybe. I usually have to charge my MacBook, I would say around 3 times in a workday. After using Apple's latest MacBook, I only had to charge that once. So for me as a regular consumer, being able to start my day, end my day without having to worry about finding my charger, interrupting one of my Zoom meetings because my battery is running out, it is perfection for me. One small complaint that I do have is that this device does not come in 15 inches. I am used to my 15-inch MacBook, and if you're like me who likes bigger screens, we're definitely going to be waiting for Apple to re-release this in the 15-inch version. Also, this device only comes with 2 Thunderbolt ports, and I'm kind of used to 4, so 2 more would be great. The question is, should you buy it? I am going to say yes. It is faster, it has a much better battery life, and if you're looking just like me to upgrade from your older MacBook, then this is the right move for you. I really hope you guys enjoyed my very first video. I am super excited to do more for you guys, and if you have any questions, please leave them down below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time.